Hello, I'm Smita. I am baking a very simple chocolate cake today, a very simple recipe, and it's an exciting recipe, very simple to make, and a very nice chocolate cake comes out of this. So I decided to make a video and share with everyone. Every time I get asked for recipes, I'm very bad at writing recipes. So I just decided to make a video and share my recipe. I think it's always better to see it than read it and do it. Okay, so we're making a chocolate cake out of hide and seek biscuits. Yeah. So let's take a look. Let's start and let's take a look what all we need. So we need 2 packets of these hide and seek biscuits. Each of them is about 120 grams. So I already have 1 packet here, and I'm gonna use another one. So 2 packets of hide and seek. We'll need 1 tablespoon of sugar, about 50 grams of butter, melted butter actually, we're gonna melt it. And we need about half a teaspoon of baking soda. Do we need anything else? Obviously something to bake. You can actually make it in pressure cooker as well, but I'm gonna just bake it in my oven. And I think that's about it. Alright, so let's get started. The first thing is we need to crush these hide and seek biscuits with about 1 tablespoon of sugar in it. Yeah, so that's about 1 tablespoon of sugar. We're gonna crush that, and then we'll go forward from there. Oh, and I forgot to mention, we also need 1 cup of milk in our recipe. Yeah, so let's start with crushing a biscuit. Okay, so that's my crushed 2 packs of hide and seek biscuit. Take it out in a bowl where you can mix everything together. Something which is deep, easy to mix your ingredients. And then we're gonna mix our baking soda in this, and 1 cup of milk, which I'm just going to pour over my I'm sorry, I disappeared. So I'm just going to pour 1 cup of milk over my butter and melt it. Just I'm going to microwave this for 20 seconds to melt it. And we don't need that anymore. Okay, so that's my milk with butter, and all my other ingredients are already in here. The hide and seek biscuits, the baking soda, and the sugar, 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm gonna mix all of this in this slowly. And also, I actually like my, you can add other things based on your likings of cakes. You can add cinnamon powder, you can add a little bit of salt. I think I'm just going to do that. Maybe add a tiny bit of salt, although I used salted butter, so I don't necessarily need it. But I like my sweet things with a touch of saltiness to them. Okay, there is some butter left in here. I need to scrape that and add to a mixture. Alright, so that's gonna go into our baking pan, and we're gonna bake this for about 30 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. You can actually also make this in a pressure cooker. Put this pan straight away into your pressure cooker. Heat your pressure cooker before that, and then put your flame to low, and again cook it for about half an hour. And if you don't have an oven, you can just make a pressure cooker cake. It comes out quite well. Alright, so this is gonna go into our oven